Hello everyone, Evan here, and if you couldn't tell from my last video, but today's video is going to be about my HO/00 scale model layout. As of now, it's not going to be complete, but it's a model layout, it's never finished. Right now I'm just comfortable showing what I've done so far, but I will be making update videos gradually showing any new changes or updates I make to it as I go. My layout is a simple loop and a small siding area layout. It's not too out there, it's got some basic stuff like a station platform, a signal, the many trees and bushes I've had planted around the layout, and the siding that's been ballasted. And here's the stuff I used to make this layout happen. Pico sets 100 and 101 for track, the Thanet Flyer for power and the engine. For trees I use Woodland Scenics dark green and autumn mix packs to make bushes and trees. The station signal both came from Hornby's accessory pack number 1, and for ballast and coal I used Woodland Scenics fine and coarse ballast in charcoal and light gray. I also got some surface primer and gray and white paint. Those will be for another project later. The table was scratch built using parts from an old bed frame. Even with the table being scratch built, we had to add some plywood so the layout would fit on it easily. Now that we've covered everything, I think it's time you guys enjoyed a little bit of a running session with both of my engines. Enjoy! And just like that, we've reached the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I am sorry about the long gap between uploads. I have been a bit busy with schoolwork. And for those wondering, I still have diecast content planned for the future.